Experience the next level of wireless connectivity with the EZCast 4K wireless HDMI transmitter and receiver kit. Unleash the power of seamless screen mirroring and audio transmission with no visible latency. Whether you're streaming from your laptop, camera, cable box, PS5, or smartphone, this kit offers a hassle-free plug-and-play setup for a variety of applications. With a stunning 4K at 30Hz resolution, enjoy a cinematic and immersive display on your big screen. The wide compatibility ensures flexibility, supporting Type-C Type-A mobile inputs and compatibility with various HDMI output devices such as laptops, PCs, Blu-ray players, cameras, and more. The pre-paired transmitter and receiver streamline the setup process, making it a straightforward solution for home, office, or educational environments. Choose between mirror and extend modes to duplicate or extend your screen effortlessly. Take advantage of the kit's multifunctionality, supporting up to 4 multicasting and split-screen functions. Share your content across multiple screens or compare content with ease. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or delivering presentations, the EZCast 4K wireless HDMI kit elevates your multimedia experience. Upgrade your connectivity game and enjoy the convenience of wireless streaming with this feature-packed kit from EZCast. Say goodbye to cables and embrace the future of high-quality display and audio transmission. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.